start. This is a shawarma actually, so I'll be giving it a try. So I will unveil it. My God, can you see how creamy it is? Hey sweeties or food lovers, welcome back to my kitchen cook with Grace Kisui. Today I bring to you something creamy, spicy and super delicious, the real Nigerian style chicken shawarma. It sounds so amazing, right? This one is homemade, full of flavor, and honestly sweetie, better than the ones you buy on the street. So stay tuned till the end and tell me in the comment section if you will be trying this. So let's get cooking, sweetie. So once again, sweetie, don't forget that all you need to know about this particular recipe, I'll be writing them in the description box below. So don't forget to tell me where you're watching me from so that I'll send you a big hug. And again, once again, sweetie, always remember that cleanliness is next to godliness. So anytime you're making food or anything that has to do with food, make sure that personal hygiene is so important. Okay. Wow, just look at this, sweetie. Creamy, juicy, and full of flavors. This is the real Nigerian style shawarma. Homemade, tasty, and so easy to make, sweetie. If you enjoy watching, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already, and turn up the notification bell so you don't miss out in any upcoming delicious recipe. So tell me, sweetie, once again in the comments if you will be giving this shawarma a try, and let me know where you're watching me from so that I will send you a big hug. Okay, thank you once again for always watching Cook with Grace Kiswe. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, and stay delicious, sweetie. Bye bye.